In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the ink for HP 902. Technically, this video is showing you the HP 564, but the process is the same. The first thing you do is to open the cover. Give the printer a second to relocate the ink cartridges. We're going to open our ink using the perforated hole. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video right here because I'm telling you to do it wrong. So, correct way, after you take it out of the pack, first step is to remove this seal. It's for the air to go in. Helps relieve the pressure. Then you flip it upside down and then pull the tab. You just slide that off for this one. If you're having issues where your cartridge may have leaked, I would make sure you're not blocking this when you're opening this side. Go ahead and remove the old ink. Locate the color and the tab here. Push forward and then up, and it'll come right out. When replacing the ink, the front side, which has the nozzle, will get tilted down and pushed in, and then the back side down to lock it in. And be sure to push them all down and they're all sitting flush. Then go ahead and close the printer. After a few minutes, your printer will realign and you're back in business. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Until next time.